Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a super simple mini and I can't wait to show you. Welcome in friends, thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share, and if you're new, it's absolutely wonderful to be here with you. I've got a super special guest and I'm very giggly right now. She spurred so many brand new ideas and it was just so much fun. So right here on the front and side cover, we decided to kind of just stick a little sticker from Hobby Lobby and stick it on some white cardstock, pop it up, and matted it on some of this cute little pink cardstock, and we added some brads. So we angled that and I just love the way it turned out. And also right here, we've got some twine. We decided to put some eyelets in there and string some twine through there. So right here on the front inside cover, we have a little pocket, and we decided to stick some super cute little things in here, right here on the photo mat, and you can show them the other side too. Beautiful, you got landscape and portrait style photographs. Now this class design is my beginner's mini album, and I'll leave it as a link down in the description. So I kind of just, wrote my own little happy right there and fussy cut around it, and that you could just tuck right back inside. And we also have a couple tags too. And of course you can journal on the front and back. She did some journaling lines, as you'll see on the next part of this book. So you'll see some of her journaling lines towards the back. There's a secret flap right here. Another little sticker from the Hobby Lobby collection, and I forgot to mention the paper collection name right here is Mintay Papers Berryliciuos. So it's kind of like a picnic theme, and really you can stuff whatever it is you want in this pocket. We just put like a cute little example right here. And then everything just closes back up, and you can stuff anything and everything you want in here. So right here is our first page. Again, we got a cute little kitty and a nice strip of design paper here. And then the back of that page is another simple little spot for more 4x6 pictures. So completely uncropped, all 4x6s. And you can just stick them under things. And of course, we leave these little pieces open so you can get behind them. And right behind that nice large page, we decided to kind of do some fun little juices sideways there. And we thought of this idea to add this Dollar Tree burlap twine type of ribbon. I don't even know what you would call that, but it's really super fun. And we kind of just went along with some even strips of regular cardstock to kind of break the images up, since the patterns were kind of repetitive, but it was still a lot of fun. And right here we have a cool little pocket. And again, on the back of that, we have another picture spot. And that particular pocket has a little flap, and then you can open that up and there's a little pocket inside there. And if you've never taken a class with me before, I'll go ahead and leave a link right up here to a fun mini album that you can create today. It was just so much fun. Right here we actually have a cute little cutout, a little kitty, and then another nice big flap. We just stuck Smile right there. And then on the back of that, Inspire, and a nice cute little basket full of all kinds of little picnic goodies. And right here on the back, we have again a nice pocket, and you can put anything you want in your pockets. Memorabilia, different little tickets, anything from anywhere you went. And of course you can use any paper it is that you want for any of these designs. And right here, she ended up doing journaling lines, and I thought they just turned out perfect. And we tag topped with an eyelet with a crocodile, and I'll leave all my favorite supplies down in the description as well if you'd like to know what tools I use to create books like this. And right here again, the flap, oh my goodness. We just stuffed a simple little window inside this pocket. And it says live right here with a cute little kitty. Now, if this is a book that's totally your style, you'll love this next one. I'll see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me, and my special guest, my niece. She's so crafty, and I'm just so proud of her, and it was so much fun to craft with her. Thank you so much, everyone. Have an awesome day. Bye.